The chair now recognizes the gentleman from Georgia, a magistrate in his former life, Hank Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ms. Goodling, I notice you've got three lawyers, fine lawyers, who've been with you today, and you all have been preparing for this event for some time. Who's paying for your lawyers?
I'm paying for them.
Has anyone agreed to reimburse you for legal fees?
No, I intend to establish a legal defense fund at some point, but I haven't had the chance to do that yet.
Well, ma'am, let me ask you this question. On March 1st, 2006, there was a order number 2808-2006, entitled Delegation of Certain Personnel Authorities to the Chief of Staff, to the Attorney General, and the White House liaison of the Department of Justice. Were you aware of that order when you were hired as White House liaison?
Yes, that's the third piece of the discussion that I was just having.
And that order granted broad authority to you and the Chief of Staff, who was Kyle Sampson, to take, quote, final action in matters pertaining to the appointment, employment, pay, separation, and general administration, end quote, of a wide range of employees in the Department of Justice, including assistant U.S. attorneys. Is that not correct?
I actually don't believe that delegation related to AUSAs.
Well, let me ask you this question. You acknowledged, or you stated in your statement to this committee, that you do acknowledge that you may have gone too far in asking political questions of applicants for career positions, correct?
Yes.
Did those career positions include assistant United States attorneys?
Yes.
And about how many times did you exercise that authority with respect to assistant U.S. attorneys?
I don't recall that I interviewed.
Would you say that would be 30, 40, 50, or more?
I don't know that I could. I don't know that I could estimate. I had waiver requests that came in from time to time.
I'm speaking just of your assistant U.S. attorneys. How many times did you use political questions in your evaluation of assistant U.S. attorneys?
I don't know that I could estimate. Sometimes people came to the department and they were just interested in coming to the department, and they interviewed with me for political positions, or they were interested in
I'm just
a
talking
USA
about
position.
now, a U.S. attorney's position is not a political position. That's a career position, correct?
Right. But
how many times did you use that power that you had to hire and fire with respect to hiring of assistant U.S. attorneys, and you used political reasons for making a decision not to hire? How many times did you do that?
I can't give you an estimate.
Would you say less than 50 or more than 50?
I hesitate to give you a reason just because I can't, or an estimate because I can't remember. I don't think that I could have done it more than 50 times, but I don't know. There were times when people came to the department and they were interested in career positions or political positions, and those people I certainly asked political questions of.
Okay, well, let me ask you